fly stitch is simple, but it has many uses. It stands out as a decorative stitch, and it's also ideal for creating natural details, from plant stems and leaves to distant birds. It looks decorative on its own, but it can also be stitched in groups to form more intricate patterns. Bring the needle up and take it down across from your starting point. As you pull the thread through, leave a loop. Anchor this loop with a small stitch to create a V shape. Like many embroidery stitches, fly stitch is simple and versatile. Depending on the effect you want, you can create variations by changing the depth of the stitch or the length of the anchoring stitch. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another stitch tutorial soon. If you'd like to see more tutorials, I have a Stitch Library playlist here. Bye for now.